So guys, this is an announcement that tomorrow I won't have any school even though it's gonna be Thursday or Friday because when I finish my exam sa umaga, 4 ang ginawa ko. Sa hapon, 4 din. So means I don't have any more. Oh, also I have 8 subjects. It was so hard, like Filipino. At laki. So, hanggang June, sa June meron ako pasok. Sa March, April, May, wala ako pasok. Just to let you know, this is an announcement. Are you guys happy now? Because I'm gonna post videos every week. Also, ito yung sinuot ko. But not technically. I had to wear like my palda, but I didn't know that magsusot kami ng purple. Ito yung sando at yung para hindi na nila makita yung ko, Can't believe that summer is here now. And sa June, meron akong pasok. Okay. Bye!